I've said it before, I think the 69 Mustang Fastback is one of the best looking body designs of all time. Just look at the lines on that car. And this is a premium example. This thing is detailed, dialed in, top to bottom, inside and out. It's a documented with the deluxe Marti report and original invoice. Factory S code 390, Mach 1, Acapulco Blue, and it has some nice upgrades. It has a new air conditioning system, some nice bolstered seats that still look original, and a really nice set of Dakota gauges. Go to volocars.com, you'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this was born Acapulco Blue, and that's how it was repainted. The body's in excellent shape on this car, straight. The hood is straight, got the scoop with the turn signals on the back of it, the racing pins, but all of this is really nice and straight. The hood sits up a tad in the back. Fender's really nice, clean, straight, no issues, no bubbles down here. It feels slick as can be too. All smooth, nice, even underneath here, smooth and nice. Door shuts real nice. The roof line is excellent. Coming down the sail panel, you got the simulated scoops here, little dovetail. All of this is clean and straight. Underneath the quarter panel is nice. I think I walked through a cobweb. The trunk lines up nice and square and flush and beautiful. And I'm looking at the paint as I'm checking out the body. The paint is really fantastic. The metallic is laid out evenly. It's a nice tiny metallic, all smooth. Clean, smooth, lines up nice. If you look, there's like a tiny little nick there, tiny one on the edge of the door. There'll be some very insignificant flaws if you look hard. Jambs are painted nice. As the color keyed racing mirrors, as Ford calls it. The pillars are real nice. Body and paint's excellent, it's beautiful. Now the side decals are reflective. At night, like headlights hit it, they light up. All of the trim, I believe, has been replaced or restored. And that's all the moldings, the bumpers, the trim, emblems, everything is all redone. The grille has probably been replaced. Upgraded H4 headlights, nice and bright. The matte finish black hood, painted on very nicely. Did an excellent job. There's no marks or problems with that at all. And it's sitting on 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels, a little bit wider than they would have been back then, wrapped in some nice Cooper Cobra tires. So it's really looking good. It has a front spoiler, back spoiler. Windshield was replaced, rest of the glass, very good original. This is also a reflective stripe. Bumper and pop open gas cap, that's all been replaced. Reverse lights, all that's been redone. You got the blacked out tail panel. All right, let's open it up. We got more good stuff to come. Trunk is finished off very nicely as well. See, underside's painted real nice. The weather strips replaced. The jam is painted real nice. Inside is all neat and clean with a nice spatter finish. The wiring's been replaced. Batteries relocated to the trunk. This is all, it says Rockford Fosgate. That's stereo stuff. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. It has halogen headlights. These are actual, say, Ford in the middle of it. So they came with the car. We'll let it go with the car, along with this car cover. It has the mat over the, that's the gas tank sitting right there, and a custom panel right here. So very nice, clean trunk compartment. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you are notified when new arrivals are posted. New videos are posted, I should say. Very clean, tidy interior. That's a new deluxe door panel. It has the Dynamat sound deadener behind it. That's all new and fresh and clean. We also have a new dash pad, new instrument panel. And then check out these gauges. Look at that. That's sharp. I love these new gauges they put in these old cars. And there's a clock right there. So everything you're looking at is really nice. They've added air conditioning, but it looks stock. They put in the factory style vents. The controls now are electric slide. They were upgraded from the cables. Now, there's some speakers back there. There's Rockford Fosgate wiring. I can't find a stereo. I don't know if they took the stereo out or if it's one of those hidden Bluetooths. I put a call into the owner that I bought this from. Haven't heard back, but we'll get that answered on our website. The whole console looks new. The seat belts look like they're all reproduction. It has the owner's manual in here. So the seats have been re-cushioned and a little bit modern bolster. They were just flat. So they've added this roundness. They're just a little more comfortable, nice, tight, firm, all re-cushioned, reupholstered, and looking good. Back seat's been reupholstered. Also has new seat belts, all the plastic trim on the sides. All that looks really good. You do have the Kenwood speakers, and it looks like an XM satellite receiver right there. But again, I can't find the stereo in the car. We'll find out about it. Headliner replaced. You're going to have shoulder belts, new visors, probably the original mirror, but it's very good. Now, these cars were never offered with a tilt. So they've added a tilt column to this car, and this is a Shelby style steering wheel. Shelby and Cobras use this nice wood rim. It has the Mustang logo in the middle. I don't know if I mentioned it. New carpet. It has Dynamat on the floor under the carpet. Also, the clock over here on my side matches the gauges. It's a Dakota digital clock, quartz movement. And along with that nice framed Marti Report, does come with some miscellaneous records and receipts. So the S code in the VIN number tells us it's a 390 engine under the hood of this car. Runs real strong. It has a Performer aluminum intake, a double feed Brawler Holley carb with electric choke, MSD ignition with a flamethrower coil, dressed up with some real nice chrome valve covers, air cleaner, support bar, and the whole engine bay is painted very nicely. We got new fender bolts. This is more stereo equipment wiring. And then it has a modern PowerMaster polished alternator. The front of the motor has billet pulleys, and then the classic auto air conditioning system. Up front, we got the horns, we got a transmission cooler. It is a Ford radiator with dual electric fans. We got the Ford washer fluid bottle. Power brakes back there. Everything's all hooked up and proper, and then look underneath the hood, all painted shiny. Really nice looking motor compartment. Michael's going to show you how this nice looking motor runs, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, we are looking tough in the fastback Mustang right here. 390S code. This thing is sweet, rated at 320 horsepower. Sounds fantastic. Seems to be really nicely dialed in. Started several times now and just real easy to use. C6 automatic. And this one's got the turn signal indicators in the scoop there. They do work. They cancel. I like that. Seems a really tight build. Not hearing any weird noises in the suspension or anything like that going over all the bumps and cracks there. Easy electronic power steering. Alright, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to like 65 miles an hour. What a pleasure. I just eased into it, not even halfway in the throttle. There's plenty more where that came from. I'm really liking this build. These Dakota digital gauges light up really nicely, super easy to read. Let's see how it goes down the street here. This front end is tight, guys. Really nicely put together car. Fantastic. Come down and test drive it for yourself. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Just give us about a day's notice because all the cars are located in a museum environment. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath, the car is also very tidy and proper and clean. All the floors look like they've been restored, all nice metal, painted a nice satin or semi-gloss black. It does have frame connectors welded in front to back, just helps prevent body twists, makes it handle better. These come with what Mustang called the competition suspension as part of the Mach 1 package, and it's all rebuilt. All the steering, suspension been redone. It's a really nice dual exhaust system with stainless MagnaFlow mufflers, and it has the quad tips going out through the valance. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. Fuel system's been replaced, the tank, sending unit, that all looks fresh. Look up at the motor, it looks nice and clean. It has its original C6, that's the heavy duty automatic trans, the tag on it is coded for a 1969 Mustang Mach 1 with a 390 automatic. Drive shaft has been rebuilt and balanced. In back, it has a traction lock rear end, which was optional, and it was ordered with a 3.0 gear ratio. That's a nice cruising gear. So again, everything under there is clean, proper, the way it should be. Beautiful Mustang here. This is a keeper. This is one that's going to make the next owner very proud, and really looking forward to driving it every chance they get. I hope that person is you. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer any questions you have about the car, including how to get it delivered to your garage. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.